Hello and welcome to my video setting up mRemoteNG with a SAP Gui connection. Here I have a standard mRemoteNG window open, and I've set up a secure shell connection to my SAP demo system. MPL is actually up and running. Run that command again. You can see we've got a green status, and actually SAP is up and running. So the actual setting that I want to demonstrate in the video is actually using SAP Gui as an external tool to automatically log on. So if I just double click on this entry here, and there we go, we've directly logged on to the SAP system. Run a transaction. Okay. So there we have it, automatically logged on. So how did I do that? So the actual component of SAP Gui is installed is version 760, and if you actually use a SAP shortcut feature of SAP Gui, if I just run the help for SAP shortcut here, there's various parameters that you can pass to this command which will enable the log on to the SAP system. So that's a command I'm going to integrate into mRemoteNG. So if you just run that directly from the command line, automatic log on, shortcuts here, so I don't have to type it. I'm already logged on, so just kill the other session. So that's how it works from the command line. So integrate SAP shortcut tool into mRemoteNG. So if I go to the external tools option, I click on SAP Gui, my entry here, you see below I have actually entered the file name of SAP shortcut here as a file name that's actually called. And actually we pass the arguments here, uses mRemoteNG's variables, which is actually linked to my connection here. So if we go to the name, system name, that will just pick an arbitrary name for the entry. So you can have multiple entries. This one's set up for MPL. For the client, we're using MAC address, so there's not a one-to-one mapping. So I've adapted some of the variables to fit my SAP Gui connection. So if you go to MAC address, you can see 0001. For the MAC address, and that's the client number, the SAP client number. And for username is a standard field, so I've actually filled that in. And also with a password, which is actually masked here, but would be passed to the logon. So you're going to need to be careful whether you really want to use the passwords at this point. You could always have SAP Gui prompt for the password, so you can manually enter it. Here, as it's the demo developer system and the password's well known and I've not changed it, I've just hard-coded it in the actual mRemoteNG parameter there. And the important point here is for the to build the GUI parameter actually makes a connection to the host, and we need an instance number. So the host name, highlight there, is linked to the host name of the SAP demo system. And the domain is actually the instance number of the SAP system. So combination of all that and linked to the internal tools. So if you come back down here, created a new connection, and I've actually selected external app and then drop down to SAP Gui. So then if I just right click, connect, again I've already logged on, directly logs me on again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.